Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily find journal entries on QuickBooks. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, scroll down, then click on Reports. Next, from the Reports page, just scroll down. Then under For My Accountant section, click on Journal. Here you can see all the lists of journal entries. You can also use these filters if you're looking for a specific journal. You can filter out the report period and date from and until the latest date of the specific journal you're looking for. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!